How to access Microsoft Teams on a PC. So we're going to look at two avenues. The first way is through the Microsoft Teams Windows app, and the second way is through Outlook.office.com. Okay, the first way, the Windows app, Microsoft Teams should already be downloaded onto the PC, and if it's not, you need to contact IT. Make sure they have Microsoft Teams downloaded onto that particular PC. When it is downloaded, you can come down to the search bar and search for Microsoft Teams. Here it is here. Click on that, and it'll bring up a window and you'll be able to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Okay, you may have to type in your email and password, but it should be the same thing across the board. Okay, so when this loads, your Teams page will come up, all right, and your calls option will be here on the left, okay, over here by calls. All right, so that's the first way. The second way is online through Outlook.office.com. So how do you get there? You're going to search for Microsoft Edge. This should be on all standard work PCs. It should be an app there. If you don't have this, you can use Google Chrome, but all this is just a web browser. So get on any web browser that is available on the PC. In this case, we're using Microsoft Edge. All right, so you're going to come to the top at the search bar. You're going to type in outlook.office.com. All right, and it already recognizes my account, but when you sign in, you'll have to type in your full email address and so on. Okay, so Outlook is going to load, and this is online. This is not the Outlook app. It's not a Windows app. This is the online version of Outlook. So when you're on the online version, there should be 9 dots in a square over here. This is the app launcher. It's next to Outlook. You click on that app launcher, and you go to Teams. All right, Teams is an app on the app launcher on Outlook. Click on that. All right, and when that loads, it'll look exactly like the Microsoft Teams Windows app, where you'll have your calls and all your different tabs on the left, and you'll just click on the calls tab. Sometimes this screen does come up where it says Microsoft Teams. Do you want to get the Windows app, or do you want to use the web app instead? We want to use the web app if you're going through Outlook.office.com, because if you try to get the Windows app, it'll ask you for an admin password in which you need local IT to provide. So just use the web app. Click this use the web app instead. All right, and Microsoft Teams comes up, and here's my calls tab, and I can start making my calls again. Okay, so those are the two main ways that you can access Microsoft Teams. My name is Ryan Anglin. I work for Vision Data and Communication Services, and I will see you in the next one, okay?